Hey guys, welcome to a video. I haven't posted in a while, so this is gonna be an interesting one. But today we are in Blender, which is a 3D modeling software if you've never heard of it. There's plenty of YouTube videos on it. But we're gonna go ahead and try to make a Cessna, or at least something that looks like a Cessna. So first, I'm going to start with a body shape for it. So, it's a bit tricky. I don't use Blender too often, so I'm not very good at it. I usually use meshes when I'm making my stuff. For the window, to make this longer, it's a bit too short. But for the window, I'm gonna slant this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. Not that. It'll take you a second. Take this and rotate it, and then the move tool to move it over. And then I might move it a tad bit over to the side. That's showing a bit. So I'm gonna rescale the bottom and make it a tiny bit wider. So this right here will be able to fit. So it looks like it's fitting good. Now we're going to add a second mesh layer, and not a mesh, sorry, a cube, and then it's gonna not scale it, and move it up and over a bit, so it matches pretty much with this. Make the angle a bit more, and then scale it a slight bit, move it over some more, so it's like, we'll go around like here. If I look at it, it should roughly be fine to move this over a bit to make sure nothing ends up showing through the sides. This is good. And this is a bit, it's not, angled enough, so I'm gonna move it over a bit some more, and then I might move it down a tiny bit, and then back a bit so it'll be connected. So this is roughly like a rough body for right now. And they usually have that steeper back slope that Cessnas have. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and replicate that. So we're doing like a rough body shape. I'm not gonna try and like do anything fancy with this in this video. Might end up changing it. I'm not sure what I'm doing over here. I am pressing buttons. Sorry guys, I did something. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna, there's like glitching a bit in, so I'm just gonna like fix it. The move tool. So I can move it over a bit and line it up roughly, uh, roughly like that, and it's lightly upwards. So I can move it down a bit, not the whole thing. Just want to select this, okay. Way down a bit, and then I move it slightly inward. We're out. I'll clear this all up later, and then like the main body part and the back is usually like a longer, kind of like a bit like slanted upward. So I'm gonna go ahead and recreate this slant where the tail part is. So I can move the back up. Now I'm gonna scale it just to make it a bit skinnier so it will fit a bit more. Now I could change the length out like this much, then move it out and then a bit up. Sort of good. Yeah, I can rotate it a tad bit more and then move it so it's lined up. And that's roughly I want it. It's not going to be the perfect S that you'll ever see. I don't use Blender a lot. Bring it up, put it in a bit. That looks good. So, probably only going to do this for today's video. It's late when I'm recording this. It's 23:41 military time. So, I'm going to probably end the video now. Do a second episode soon of adding the wings and the propeller. So I will see you next video. Bye.